Hello, today we want to install Windows Server on VMware. Very fast, very easy. Let's go. Okay, please open VMware. Click right, new virtual machine, select your source, next, yes, and select your location. Disk size 100, that's enough. And next, and you can customize your hardware. I choose 8 GB memory and 4 CPU. And close, finish. Okay, now I run Windows. Install now. Select data center with desktop experience. Next, customize, and next. Okay, now restart Windows. Choose your password. Okay, now if you can see VMware, it's not correct in your screen, and it need to install VMware tools. I install VMware tools, and okay, run, next, next, and finish. Okay, as you can see, the screen is correct now. I restart one time more, and the password is for administrator, and okay, now we install Windows Server. You can see everything is good. I check version, and that's it. It's finished.